Welcome to our exploration of how to be an AI engineer. AI engineering is a fascinating field that combines computer science, data analysis, and machine learning to create intelligent systems. These systems can learn from data and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, making decisions, and even playing games. Let's explore how you can become an AI engineer.
To start your journey in AI engineering, it's crucial to have a strong foundation in mathematics, especially in areas like linear algebra, calculus, and statistics. These subjects help you understand how algorithms work and are essential for developing AI models.
Coding is at the heart of AI engineering. Languages like Python, R, and Java are commonly used in the field. Start by learning Python, as it has extensive libraries and frameworks for AI and machine learning, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch. Practice by working on small coding projects to build your skills.
Machine learning is a core component of AI. It involves training algorithms to learn from data. Begin by understanding different types of machine learning, such as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Explore how models are trained, validated, and tested to ensure they perform well.
Data is the fuel for AI systems. Learn how to collect, clean, and process data effectively. Study tools and techniques like data visualization, data wrangling, and feature extraction. Understanding data science will help you prepare datasets and improve the performance of AI models. Once you have the basics down, start building your AI models. Use libraries like Scikit-learn to experiment with algorithms and frameworks. Begin with simple models and gradually work on more complex ones, such as neural networks. Practice by participating in competitions on platforms like Kaggle.
Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that focuses on neural networks with many layers. It's crucial for tasks like image and speech recognition. Dive into concepts like convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, to enhance your AI models.
Hands-on experience is vital. Engage in real-world projects to apply your skills. Collaborate with others or contribute to open-source projects. This experience will help you understand the challenges in the field and improve your problem-solving skills.
AI is a rapidly evolving field. Stay informed about new technologies, research papers, and industry trends. Follow AI conferences, webinars, and online courses. Joining communities and forums can also help you network with other AI professionals and learn from their experiences.
Consider formal education in computer science or a related field. Many universities offer specialized courses in AI and machine learning. These programs provide structured learning and can open doors to internships and job opportunities in the industry. With your skills and knowledge, you can pursue a career as an AI engineer. Look for entry-level positions or internships to gain industry experience. Continuously build your portfolio with projects and certifications. Remember, persistence and continuous learning are key to success in AI engineering.